Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Sayyid Abdul Rahman. I am student of grade 8B, Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. In my previous video, we discussed on question number 4. On question number 4 from the exercise 11.2 from the chapter mensuration. And in this video, we are going to discuss on a simple question, which is question number 5 from exercise 11.2. The chapter mensuration. So today, let's begin. In this question, they are asking the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So find its area. Now they have given us a small question, a very simple question. They have given us the diagonals of a rhombus. Now what is a rhombus? A rhombus is an equal a rhombus is equal to the pairs of parallelogram. It is like a parallelogram and has equal sides. So they have given us the diagonals. A rhombus is a parallelogram with sides of equal length. So now what they are saying is a rhombus is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. Even this we can call this a parallelogram. It's like a triangle. It's a little bit taller. It has a long length. So this and this side is parallel. These both sides are parallel and these both sides are parallel. So that's why they are saying both are parallel. And in this rhombus, we have the value equal of the length of the side of the length. So now in the question they have given us the measure. So in the question what they have given us the diagonals, the measures of the diagonals. So one diagonal is 7.5 meter. One diagonal is 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter. It's not clear. 7.5 meter. So this 7.5 and they have given us one more. Now before going to the measures, I would like to tell you a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So what they are saying, a diagonal is a line segment. Now what is a line segment? It's just a line. So line segment is connecting two non-consecutive vertices. Now these both are non-consecutive. So it's connecting, the diagonal is connecting them both. So non-consecutive vertices. So therefore it is called as the diagonal. So I have said you the definition of diagonal. Now they have given us two diagonals. One is 7.5 meters and one is 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeters. So this is 12 centimeter. Now what we have to do is we have to write the area of the rhombus. Now what is the area? The formula of rhombus. It is 1 by 2, which is we can say as half, into the product of what we can say the diagonals. So the product of diagonals into product of diagonals. Diagonals. Now they have given, now let's substitute them. So the first measurement of one diagonal, so the first diagonal is 7.5 centimeters. Is 7.5 centimeter. So we have to convert it into the whole number. So what we will do is converting it into the whole number. How? We will convert it like this, 7.5 into 10. So into 10. Now we will add multiply them, what, 0 and 0, then 5, then 7, which is equal to 750. Now with this point, this decimal point we will put here, so is equals to 75. Now it's a basic rule that we are going to have a fraction for 75 in the further use. So what we will do is we will have 75 by 1. So there's a basic rule for the fraction, which is if we are multiplying something with the numerator, we have to multiply it with the denominator also. So we will multiply 1 by 10 and we will get the answer as 75 by 10. So therefore this 7.5 centimeter is converted into 75 by 10 centimeters. Now measurement of another diagonal. Now they are asking the measurement of the another diagonal. This diagonal. We have wrote the first diagonal and they are asking the second diagonal, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we don't need to convert it into the fractions, because if we will put 12 by 1, why we converted this? Because it was a decimal. So we converted into a whole number. Because of the rule of fraction, we converted into 75 by 10, which is a fraction. Now what we have to do is we have to find the area of the rhombus. What we have to do, as I said, 1 by 2 into the product of diagonals. So we will write here 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 the product of diagonals. What is the product of diagonals? The diagonals are 75 by 10 and 12. So they are saying the product means the multiplication. So we will do into 12, first 12, then into 75 by 10. Now let's solve this. 2 and this 6, 1, then 6. Then 6. What we will do is this 10 and 6 we will divide both together, because why 10 and 6 are both multiples, are both divisible by 2. So this will be divided by 5 and this will be 3, because 2 and 3, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So what we have got is, then what we are going to do is we are converting them both. Now let's divide 75 by 5. So 5 on the 5. This is 2, this is 5, and we will get the answer 15. We will get the answer 15, because then we will keep it here 25 and then we will get the answer 0. So what we have got is 15 into 3. Now we have to multiply them. Now 15 into 3, what is the answer? 15 into 3, because these all ones are cancelled. 1 and there will be ones only. So 15 into 3, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So we got the answer as 45. So therefore the value of the area of rhombus is equals to 45 centimeter square. Now what we have done is we have found the area, the whole area of this rhombus. The area of rhombus is equals to 1/2 product of diagonal, 1 by 2 into the product of diagonal. Then what we did is we converted this 7.5 centimeter into the fraction, and then we did the division and we multiplied then we got the final result, and then we multiplied 15 by 3, and the final answer which we got was 45 centimeter square. 45 centimeter square. Oh, the markers. It's okay. Thank you.